Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. No, unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, Bounty Killa, the Grand Godzilla, speaks out against violence in Jamaica. And I have the video for sure, but before me get to that, me have to tell you this. Me don't know about nobody else, but me know about me. Me have to highlight positivity. Me have to highlight greatness. We can't just always talk about the negative. And the greatness when I talk about is of the video when I'm showing at the beginning of the little school youth there. Alright? Now the story behind that is people. 16-year-old Cornel Grant is a Calabar student who was out of school for 2 years battling cancer. And he returned back to school recently. And the video I want to look on right now is of his fellow schoolmates and teachers greeting him back to school so graciously. People, it made me feel so good inside when I watched that. You know, say him battle cancer and beat it. How you feel about that? Talk to me down below and explain to me how you feel right now after seeing such a great story. Now, for the next topic, people, I wake up this morning and I wake up with a message. And the message was, yo, no matter what you do in a life, you could have do the best, you could have do the greatest things. Everybody now go like you. Some people are going to like you, some still not going to like you. You just have to accept it and not worry about the people that not like you and focus on you and who with you. Alright, and then when I go to boom, I realize Queen Africa has the very same message for share. Take a listen to what Queen Africa has to say.
Good morning. You know, I just get a vibe to leave that message with my fellow celebrities them all over the world, but especially here in Jamaica, you see me? I just want to say, the Almighty choose we to be who we are as celebrities in whatever capacity we find ourselves. And while you're going to have the majority loving you, you're still going to have some who just don't like you for no reason whatsoever. I kind of see a trend where you have a lot of people who use up social space because they can get money from some of the things that they post. So it doesn't matter what they say about an artist, or especially artists who get it rough. It doesn't matter what they say about you. If they put it up on certain social spaces, they're bound to collect money from it. So they don't care if the story they hear about you goes so, near so, or even goes so at all. Them just want to put up something because at the end of the day, they might get some money from it. We just want to be careful, look out for each other. We're not talking about hiding or protecting secret. We just talking about doing it real. So when I say big up on yourself and go and love one, the same way and make nobody stop you. No time, you hear that?
Well, alright. You hear the Queen talk, right? Me agree with everything what Queen Africa say. What do you think? You not agree? Talk to me down below. And then you hear what she say? Don't make nobody stop you. Remember, the unstoppable slogan that you know, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. And that me always say. So Queen Africa, big up yourself. Now people, Bounty Killa, the Grand Godzilla, the warlord, the poor people governor, is one who is speaking up against violence, right? And I want to take a listen right now to what Bounty Killa have to say.
Hey Jamaicans, let's reason, as it's the season and we are all equally even. Take a stance against domestic violence and all violence in general. So let's reason. On January 29th, 4 p.m. sharp, you're going to join me at the Red Stripe Oval Hospitality Venue. Me and you and your crew. Talk it out or walk it out. I've been there, done that, and it wasn't fun that. Take a stance against domestic violence and all violence. Stand up for life. Do the things that right. Okay? Alright? Let's reason. On January 29th, 4 p.m. sharp, at the Red Stripe Hospitality Venue. Me and you.
The man them know, have to know, when you are spend on a woman, a maintenance, okay, it's not investment. You are paying in a space. When your time off, no interest. So, man them will not like to let go the people and pay. And that's one a serious problem now. When they take over, and the man them no one over. Listen, the right woman always do the right thing. When you have a woman there for you around, she's the wrong woman. The wrong woman can never do the right thing. Or the wrong person can do the right thing. Only the right person can do the right thing. Just look in and think about what I'm telling you. The wrong person can't be the right person. The wrong person cannot be the right person. So the wrong person would not be doing the right thing. You have to get the right person and they will do the right thing.
Now I know some people are going to come and say, yo, Bounty Killa is not one for talk back because Bounty Killa beat woman with hammer and all of these things. But wait, everybody at some point in time make a mistake and we learn from our past. So we can't throw Bounty Killa under the bus because at least the man is speaking out and making an effort to make a change. We want to see more entertainers do what Bounty Killa do. Speak up. Me see artists like Dan Mafia do it and couple others, you understand? But the majority is keeping quiet. Watch out, man. Leave Bounty alone and say, Bounty Killa, big up yourself for what you do. Talk to me down below and let me know if you agree with me. Everybody make mistakes, you understand? But people do change. Now on another topic, enough people might have said with Jamaican government in a power but them nah do nothing. I personally beg to differ with that because we can see when we track the Jamaican government and we see what them do. I have to bring it to you and say, wait the man, we government actually do something. Now they might not do everything about crime, but then you have to remember, crime cannot be solved overnight, but them do what them do. But what the government is actually doing and what I've seen them continuously do is try to do things for the betterment of the country. Our Prime Minister Andrew Holness is making sure that he is fighting disease on the little island, Jamaica, especially the dengue. Now here, I know that there is a so-called new virus out, which is the corona, right? And even though we heard rumors that it's in Jamaica, nothing proven yet. We're not talking about the corona right now. We're talking about dengue. The Prime Minister is still fighting against dengue. Check out the little clip here.
The Ministry of Health has spent approximately $2 billion on dengue. That includes vector control, acquiring new vehicles, expanding, fogging right across the island, hiring more than 1,000 workers, community health workers.
Five-gallon drums are our main breeding site across the island. We tend to find at least one in every home, and they contribute a lot to the population of ADHD. And so this is one of the things that we have to be dealing with and asking persons to be controlling in their environment.
How do you control?
So we have cover. So there's a mesh drum cover that we ask persons to use. From the Ministry of Health, we use a treatment. I'd like you to put one in. One. So this is a treatment, it's called natural. It's a bio-larvicide.
It is environmentally friendly, safe. You drop it in there.
So this is
a larvicide that kills the immature stage of the muscular. So one treats at 200
so let's be clear to the public. So this is safe for drinking water.
As registered by the World Health Organization.
So this is something that is not Jamaicans alone saying that.
No.
Right across the world, tested and proven.
Tested and proven.
So when I drop this in this water,
it's a thing.
if we were going to use this water for drinking, even if I were to boil the water afterwards, there would be no indication of anything detrimental to health.
No.
But it will kill the larvicide. Jamaicans have to be cautious. Jamaicans have to become aware of these threats to our health. These threats to our health emerge from our environment. How we treat our environment, and when I say environment, some people think the environment don't include their backyard. Your backyard and your front yard and inside of your yard is part of the environment. The open lot inside of your community is a part of your environment. So the environment don't only refer to the mangrove and the lovely hills and the beach. Everywhere in Jamaica is part of the environment. We have a responsibility to make sure that there are no breeding sites near us. And we have to be more conscious about that. So I'm taking the time out with my ministers to conduct this tour to bring that problem to you and the solutions to it.
Well, alright, it don't really matter which party you say, whether PMP or Labour, right? As long as you're Jamaican, you have to feel like, yo, it's a good look to see that the government is doing something to protect its nation's people. No, talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Alright, may I look out for your comment. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. And as me say already, if this is your very first time to this channel and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. So once I upload a video, you will get that alert. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.